Hello, this video is going to show students how to complete drill number 2 for their PowerPoint assignment or lesson 2 drill 2, which is hide the slides. Let's begin, please. So the first thing is you have to know if you have textbook or no. If you don't have textbook, then you get one out the classroom, or you can go to the course website and click on course textbook here. You download lesson 2 pages 61 through 67. Once it is finished downloading, you open and you have there. We will snap to the left and we will now go to start and open PowerPoint. The direction on page 63 at the bottom says open PP2 drill 1. This is assuming that you have already created this assignment. So we will look under file, and you can see one of our recent presentations is in fact that file. But if you don't have file there, you can hit open and look in the possible places like documents where this file might be. So we open that document, and then it says in direction 2 hide slides 3 and 4. So here are slides 3 and 4. Now we have to know how to hide slides. So if you look right here on page 63, here are in fact the directions to hide a slide and to unhide a slide. So we will go to slide show, set up, and hide slide. If I select both of the slides by clicking slide 3 first, hold down the control key on my keyboard, I click again, notice both are selected. I now use the steps that were in book. They say go to slide show, set up, and hide slide. Notice these two boxes now have a strike through the numbers and are back hidden if I was to do presentation. I am now going to unhide slide 3. So I will click only on slide 3 and unselect the box. Notice slide 4 is still hidden. We are now going to save document as. Very important not to hit save, but save as, and change the drill 1 to drill 2. If you forget this step, you will erase drill 1 that you did previously. We hit save now that we have new document name, and the last step says to keep the presentation open because there's more. We want more. We want more. So if we scroll down in the PDF file, notice that drill 2 continues on page 64. The directions is in the open presentation, select slide 3, which is here, and click layout on the home tab, and layout here, and we want to select to content layout, which is here. The table will be left in the left content area as you see. Direction 2, it says in the right content area, search for a photograph clip in the clip art, a photograph in clip art using the keyword conference. So we will go here. Notice we have clip art. We click on clip art. We look for the keyword conference and you hit go. Now let me take this check mark off because some of you may not have check mark on. Let me take it off and show you what happens. If you hit conference now, you only get one picture. I'm sure you don't want just one picture in which to choose from. So we're going to put that check mark back on, hit the go again, and notice you get many options. So you look for an appropriate picture. That looks very nice here. I will click on this panel here and hit insert, and it press the button and it puts the picture right in of my presentation. Direction number 3, it says insert it in the right content area. I've done that. Size it about the same size as the table and drag it to the placeholder. Now when you are resizing pictures, you only want to use the handles that are at the 4 corners. If you happen to use the middle handles, it will distort the picture. You do not want picture to be distorted. So we will undo that, and we will drag so that it goes to that left line. We'll drag bottom right so that it goes to the right line, and then we will drag up to the top placeholder about so. In fact, let me bring this one back a little. That looks much better. And there you have it. We are done with drill 2. Only thing you have left to do is to hit save, and you close document or presentation. You go back to your Google Classroom, click on lesson 2 drill 2, and you add upload file, select it from computer, go to drill 2, open. Once it is finished uploading here, you simply turn in the document or presentation and turn in. If you have any notes that you need to leave to Mr. Williams, you would put them here, and then you turn in. There you have it. Those are the directions for completing drill 2, lesson 2.